Good day to you again, YouTube. Welcome back. Today I don't have a tweak of the day for this episode or for this video, but we actually have an update of my Chameleon. So what I'll do is not go into that. I'll go into settings, and as some of you have known, I've been doing an update to Chameleon every so often and trying to get as much as I can into it. And the red dots are some of what I have added myself. Since I've posted up the icon settings, I have updated the disable, uninstall and updated. But for the miscellaneous, I've now added a disable volume HUD, which doesn't actually work, as you can see, but the shortcut menu height, so this is only available for 3D touch supported devices. I haven't tested it on reveal menu or anything like that simulates the 3D touch, but as you can see, shortcut menu height, you have a toggle, and now there's a change log for what I have added, but this does not require a respring. So what I can do is I'll do 70, go back to apply it and force touch. So you can see they are quite tall, and going back in I can set them to 30, back to apply the settings, and they are very short. Now this works for pretty much any value, but I will be stopping it at a certain value after I've officially released this, because I don't want people setting it to 10 and then they can't actually do anything with it because it is quite small. I mean, you can still see everything, but it is very difficult to control, and if you set it up way too much, so we'll say 100 for now, go back, and it just looks ridiculous for 3 toggles. 4 or 5 is quite alright, so we'll have a look at one with 5 or so. So there's not actually one with 5, but it does look really ridiculous. Now the downside actually is that when you have set it so high and you go to an app that has 4 or more, so such as the iTunes store, it does actually push it underneath the icon, and it does look not really that good at all. So what I'm going to set it as low as it can go is 35, so I'll just show you this at the moment. So 35 is, you can see everything, all the icons are in there centered, and it doesn't look too bad. And the maximum I want to set it at is now 50 or 60, depending on how I think it will look on a device. So you can see that it is a bit shorter. We'll try 60 out for now, and we'll test 50. So 50 does look the best as I can see, so it doesn't require a respring. We'll go back into this and we'll disable this. So disabling it does require a respring, but it doesn't. So setting a different value. So remembering my code, I'm pretty sure I didn't remember the %orig, so it won't go to the original value, which is something I'll also have to add myself. So adding the %orig value as well, I will need to put into that later on. So we actually have more information as well. I have updated the miscellaneous and everything else. Changelog will be available in the repo as well. So you have the 3D touch menus now, disabling lock screen, batteries, control center, volume HUD, which I have to improve and actually get it to work, as well as there's a few other things here and there. I will be removing the red dots for an official update on my repo, so you won't have to worry about any of them little problems here or there. Also, pressing return on the value sets up the Twitter notification here, which I want to fix or remove completely because it is quite a nuisance pressing return. But that is pretty much it for that tweak. Chameleon is available on my repo only. Possibly do it on the Big Boss repo as well, just to get it out more. But thank you so much guys for watching, and I will see all of you in the next video.